Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring the notifying flow that is built into the DAC6pro tool. Let's dive right in. In DAC6, there's a concept called the right of privilege. This privilege allows intermediaries to resist compulsory disclosure of documents and information. When the lead intermediary has this privilege, they have the obligation to notify other parties involved, informing them that they may be responsible for reporting the arrangement. Within DAC6pro, we have incorporated a feature called the notifying flow. It comes into play after the intermediary list, where you can indicate which parties have the right of privilege. You can also add audit trailing as proof. Please note that this information is not included in the XML export, so it's only for auditing purposes. Once you've selected the parties within the right of privilege, the notifying card appears at the bottom. From here, you can indicate if you are the notifying party and set a deadline for notification. If you wish, you can proceed to finalize without adding any additional data and move the arrangement to the next stage. It is important to note that this state change doesn't automatically inform other parties involved about your right of privilege. So you will need to inform the other parties involved manually. Once you've notified the other parties, the arrangement reporter can navigate to the pending arrangements page. There they can close the arrangement immediately. They can do this without even the IDs at this stage. The IDs can be added later when they are communicated and can be added on the close arrangement page. To do this, simply click on the three dots and add the IDs you have received for that specific arrangement. And there you have it. We have shown you the notifying flow implemented within the DAC6pro tool. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to the support team. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.